Best part is Papa saying if she gets angry, it's all my fault.
My heart is small, my hopes are small. What, however, has gone wrong? He is very late. Benny. I thought it was supposed to be Sana's fault. Okay, so I'll tell you all how the Shabbo quiz works. Shabbo is on makeover break. Shabbo is applying Shabbo. Hello, welcome to today's video. I'm super excited for this because I can't believe it's the second time in June that I'm getting to throw a surprise birthday party for my family. The first one was for Jerry. Jerry's birthday was on the 4th of June. And today, my dad and family and I are getting together to host a surprise birthday party for my mom. It's a small thing in a sense that हम घर पे ही कर रहे हैं, लेकिन we're doing our best to jazz it up as much as possible. So before I take you into a little bit of a flashback on the decor and the prepping mode and all of that, because I did vlog a few snippets here and there, let me tell you what the scene is. This birthday party started out with being an intimate surprise dinner of about 5-6 of her friends. It kind of blew up somewhere in the middle, and now we're down to I think 27 people. Question mark. There are some dropouts, like some people who can't make it last minute. So I need to figure all of that out. I wanted to get like somebody to do decor and all of that. तो वो भी हो रहा है. 5-5:30 बजे decor वाले पहुंच जाएंगे मेरी मम्मी के घर पे. मैंने केक भी order कर लिया है. One of my mom's friends works relatively closer to where I order my cakes from in South Bombay. So she's I'm having the cake sent to her and she's bringing it to Bandra. Okay, what we're going to do right now, before I take you into a little bit of a flashback and prepping mode, my bhabhi was like, do we want to play games and stuff like that? And anytime I hear anybody say games or anything, I'm like, yes. So I sat down to plan those games. Flashback Anna will take you into all of that. But I wanted to make sure that I have the opportunity to make some prizes. Now, if you're playing games and you're not doing prizes, there's no fun in that. And at the same time, I initially wanted to do 4 games, but then we realized that tonight is also the World Cup final. So even if we just get through 3 games, I will be very happy and it'll be fun. Because there are very few men tonight. Like my dad, one of my mom's best friend is not in India right now, but her husband will be. My brother's best friend, of course, Jerry. So like there's fewer men. So stereotypically speaking, they will probably be watching the match, but TBH, I will probably also go in and out because I have really enjoyed watching India. I've exclusively and only watched India's matches this season. So I have a couple of my baskets over here from PR stuff. I always like to use the PR stuff that I know I'm not going to use myself and make sure I use it for gifting wherever I can, just to make sure products don't go waste. And I also think it's just a smart way of upcycling things, not even upcycling, because you have to use hua nahi, of just making sure things get to use, because to be honest, it is not humanly possible for absolutely everything that comes in PR to get used. And while I really appreciate brands sending me so many things, कभी कभी इतना इस्तेमाल नहीं हो सकता ना एक इंसान से. So I've gotten these verified bags from the warehouse. I got a few 3 Ferrero Rocher chocolate का little packages. 5 chocolate के या जो भी हो आते हैं. And I thought that I would put beauty products in each of them, so that whenever any of my mom's friends, it's all her girlfriends tonight, so I thought that anytime any of the girlfriends win something in here, they would get beauty products along with chocolates. Why don't we do this? I'm going to take like about 10 minutes to sit and make these bags, and I'll show you what's going inside each bag. But while I take some time to do this, let Flashback Kanam take over and just show you a couple of snippets of the prepping mode, and then I can come back and show you what's inside each of these bags. Okay, wow, it is so noisy today. It is the 27th of June and it is my mom's birthday in 3 days on the 30th of June. And I've been thinking of wanting to do something special for her birthday this year. Last year on her 60th birthday, mashallah, I wasn't here, I was in America. And literally since last year, I was like, next year I'll make it special because I want to make up for last year. I called my dad like 15 minutes ago and I was like, I really want to do something on the 29th night as a bring in. Can we throw Mama a surprise like dinner, something, something that I can help arrange and figure? And he was instantly like, yes, on board. We'll do something at home, call her close friends and this and that. So we're thinking 29th as of right now to kind of bring it all in. Keeping my fingers crossed this plan works out. I've just left messages to like 5 of her closest girlfriends asking if they are free to join. And I guess we'll figure from here. I'll tell you why I was calling you, okay? Saturday evening, you have to keep free, mom. अपन मम्मा के लिए एक सरप्राइज बर्थडे पार्टी थ्रो कर रहे. सैटरडे नाइट को मम्मा का बर्थडे ब्रिंग इन होएगा ना, संडे को है उनका बर्थडे. Okay, so Saturday night ko they are gonna throw her a surprise birthday dinner at home only, huh? So at home. Now listen to my plan, okay? You have to call her to Nani house with some bahana, and you have to call her around 5 o'clock, 5:30, okay? Call her with some bahana, keep her busy over there with y'all for 1.5 hour. I'll give you exact timings in some time. Okay? And then you tell her that, okay, now I'm coming back to Bandra with you. Because tell her your cousins, your nephew, niece are picking you up. They're coming from the other to pick you up for dinner. And by that bahana, you come with her home. Okay? And then when you all reach home, we will already be there. There are 10 of her friends coming. I've sent everybody messages today, Betke. That's when I was calling you also earlier. And but I will coordinate the exact time thing with you by tonight or tomorrow morning. तो एक बार उनको आज तुम फोन कर दो शाम को, रात को, और बोल दो कि देख शब्बो, यू नीड टू कम ऑन सैटरडे. टाइमिंग में तेरे को बाद में बोलूंगी. और अभी उनको बोलना नहीं कि तुम वापस आएंगे उनके साथ. वो जब आएंगे ना वहां पे तुम्हारे पास, निकलने के टाइम पे तुम तैयार होके अच्छे से निकल जाना उनके साथ और बोलना मैं बैंड्रा जा रही हूँ डिनर के लिए. हाँ, see, I'm full plan of surprise वाला angle of keeping her outside the house is on. I'm keeping with you, mom. No, I'm not. I'm not running here and there. That's why I'm sending her to you, because otherwise I would have to run here and there. Okay, ठीक. Okay, mom. Love you. Khudafis. Bye. Timing I'll give you in some time. I have a call with the decorator in the next 20 minutes. After I'm done with that, I'll call you. You said you have going out for dinner now. You come back and you call me. Then I'll coordinate timings with you. Hi, please ignore the state of my hair. I'm about to iron it next and I'm getting ready. So I thought I would quickly update you on what's going on with the preps on party mode. So the party has escalated from being like 7 guests to being roughly 26 of us now, including family, of course. Guests थोड़े बहुत बढ़ गए हैं, कुछ लोग जो आने वाले थे नहीं आ सकते, वो सब coordination चल रहा है. Then today I was talking to my bhabhi and she was like, shall we do games, plan some games? So I said, okay, I'll get on it. I'm gonna insert a Shabbo quiz thing I made online over here. I made it on Canva. So basically I'm planning to do like a who knows Shabana. My mother's nickname is Shabbo. My dad calls her Shabbo. So Shabbo is like laad mein aake hum sab unko bulayate hain Shabbo. So that is going to be one of the first games we play. Then the second game that I've arranged for, and I'm really excited about this because I think that they'll all really enjoy it. And I think I also love playing games in general. मैं काफी competitive हूँ, but I also enjoy being game master. So I made a list of nice Bollywood Hindi songs that are not too new, that are like from their zamana or from my bachpan, which like is still their zamana kind of a thing, which they will know. And I've converted all the main Mukhra verses into English. So like for example, one of them is heart, I don't remember what I've written, but like the wholehearted people will take the bride, like Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. तो 4 लाइनें मैंने हर गाने की लेके I've converted that, I've translated that into English. and like whoever gets that also will be like, will get a point. And for every game I just literally texted Jerry saying bring some bags home, like verified bags, because they're nice for like gifting from my PR and stuff. I'm gonna pull out like products and put them in to do to make like little prizes and hampers. So whoever gets in every game, whoever wins will get like a prize also, which I think is such a just nice touch, because bachpan mein ye sab hota tha, and I think that parents can also enjoy this. Nah, why not? I think that they'll have a good time. That's the goal. What, however, has gone wrong is that my mom is insisting to my nani, who is trying to distract her and keep her there in Andheri for a little bit, saying I can't come by 5 because she has Quran class and she's missed the last few Quran classes because like of her travels and all of that. She was in Australia, right? So she's like, I can't come at that time. I'll come later. I'll go home and change and come. So my nanny and I were just on the phone sometime back. Also, I have 2 nannies. So this is like not my nanny, who is unfortunately a little bit more bedridden, whose birthday vlog you guys saw a while back. This is my second nanny. And I'm just as close to both. ऐसे नहीं है कि एक अलग है या ऐसे कुछ. So she called me. She was like, मैं क्या करूँ? I was like, नहीं, insist कि नहीं जो दुकान पे shopping जाना है वो उसी time पे खुल रही है. Tell her कि कुरान class खत्म करके to go straight to Andheri. So she's like, okay, I'm going to insist. She's like, should I tell her I'll come to Bandra and then I'll keep her out of the house? And so I was like, no, don't do that. Don't come to Bandra, because at the end of the day, I need to keep her out of the house from 5:30 to 9 p.m. I've told all the guests to come at 8, but I'm realistic. कोई time पे नहीं आने वाला. तो वो buffer रखने के लिए I have to keep like a bunch of things in mind. So I said, if it starts raining or something, she'll just bring you straight home, and I can't have her in the house before the guests arrive and before the decor is done and everything. So she was like, okay, I'll figure something out. I'll insist to her कि नहीं जाना ही है market में and shopping जाना है and all of that. So Nani is going to take care of that. Nani mom we call her. So mom is going to take care of that. And Sana's going to take care of house setup. I need to figure for one of her friends to pick up the cake on the way, because I've ordered the cake, but it needs to come from South Bombay. The person I always order from is in South Bombay, and one of her friends, Mama's friends who I've invited, lives that side. So I will go ahead and figure that out, and I'm getting ready for an event right now. So yeah, all updates given to it. I need to think of 2 more games. मुझे 4 games रखनी है. फिलहाल सिर्फ 2 ही है, the song and the quiz. I have to think of 2 more games. I will get to it. Okay, so we've got box number 1 over here, box number 2 over here, and we've got box number 3 over here. I've tried my best to make each box kind of feel equal. पहले थोड़ा सा unequal हो रहा था in the sense that quantity same थी, but some brands were better. So I've distributed them आपस में थोड़ा बहुत, and I think it's working now. Basically, it is around 2:30 p.m. at the moment, and I have half an hour before I have a meeting. I think I'm just gonna have some vegetable juice. I've been so regular with my ABC juice, guys. It makes such a difference to just the way I feel. Every day ऐसे energy आ जाती है मेरे को ABC juice पीने के बाद. So there's that health advice I want to kind of leave you with, because that is something that really works for me. In case you're wondering what ABC is basically an apple, beetroot and carrot, and I like to put a little bit of honey in it on days when I want it sweeter. If I can do without it, I try and do without it. Another thing that really works to add in there if you want something special for your hair is amla. I also love to swap up the ingredients sometimes, like I love putting pomegranate in it as well. Anyway, so like I said, I have about 30 minutes before I have a meeting, and then I need to get ready and reach Mama's house by, I think I want to get there by around 6:30 should be fine. The guests are expected to be there by 8. Mama is with Nani mom out shopping, and I have a product that I want to tell you about. So I definitely want to tell you about that before we leave for Mama's house. I am coming on here to tell you about a product that you guys have already seen me talk about. If you follow me on my Instagram, which I really hope you do, and if you've not subscribed to the channel, this is your reminder to go ahead and do just that. I've partnered up with the Dermaco to tell you about 2 products that I have been trying, using, loving, and to remind you to go ahead and add these to cart. Let me tell you why. The Dermaco Transillic Pigmentation Corrector Serum is one that comes with power of both tranexamic acid as well as azelaic acid. You can go ahead and use this on a regular basis. It helps with reducing hyperpigmentation as also melasma. Over a period of time, this is going to give you clearer, smooth and even toned skin. The formula for this is really lightweight, non-sticky, very nice daily use serum kinds, and it's something that you can use in your AM routine. The Dermaco 1% hyaluronic acid long-lasting sunscreen basically feels like a moisturizer. It's really lightweight, gives you sun protection for up to 6 hours and has 1% hyaluronic acid that is really nice for your skin apart from SPF 50, PA++++. This has also been formulated to be sweat and water resistant, and I love that it leaves behind no white cast. Together, these two products really come together to form that perfect AM routine. The Dermaco has empowered over 20,000 students this year with their Young Scientists initiative. So every time you buy something from them, they link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. All of the Dermaco products are fragrance-free, and if you want to get your hands on this particular product, I'm going ahead and leaving the links for you down below in the description section. If you use the code ANAM2024, you get 20% off on the brand's website, apart from which the products are also available on Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart and Purple. You know what to do if you want to go ahead and get your hands on either or both of these products. I'm going to recommend both. I'm leaving links for you down below in the description section, so make sure you check them out. Thank you, the Dermaco, for partnering with me for a small portion of today's video. Now that all my prep stuff is done and skincare stuff is done, I'm going to take the next about 20 minutes to maybe do my makeup. I don't want to do anything to my hair. I did iron my hair out yesterday. The frizz in Bombay is ridiculous right now. But I may iron just the fronts again or something like that. I'm gonna film a vertical video while I'm doing the get ready with me to give the vertical fam a little bit of a know-how of what's going on right now also. And I will see you, I guess, straight from Mama's house or on the way to Mama's house. Okay, this is what the final glam looks like. I did film a vertical video while getting ready, so hopefully you're subscribed to get all those alerts when I post it. I love this dress too, leaving all the details on the screen. Of course, apart from the dress, I'm also particularly leaving some of the beauty details on the screen for you because I feel like you might want to know what they are, and I get those questions often. Jerry is in the washroom. As soon as he comes out, we're gonna go running out the door and off to Mummy's. So let's go do that. I want to quickly find one of my small lights to carry along with me because I think that would be nice to get really nice pictures of the photo op over there also. Can you please say that again for my vlog?
Mama gets angry, it's your idea. We're going to say
Why will she get angry?
she doesn't know anything. She's
It's
not
okay.
since morning.
We've got clothes ready for her. She'll take, after we call out surprise, she'll take 10 minutes. She'll go, she'll get ready. It's okay. If she won't get angry. I don't think she'll get angry. No.
And the best part is Papa saying if she gets angry, it's all my fault.
Not your fault, your idea.
My idea.
She will love it. She'll love it.
I told Sana told me we are going for dinner. I said she never told me. I told Mama.
To make her come on time.
She told me you forgot.
Sana ko गाली मिलेगी आके. Now we're trying to call Mama from Binny's phone. Hey, लगा घंटी बजी. हमारी तो घंटी भी नहीं बज रही है while calling her. Are you calling her on WhatsApp or normal? So, but WhatsApp will ring even if it's not ringing at her end, na, based on connection. Like that? Yeah, WhatsApp rings irrespective, even if the other person is not hearing it ring.
That's also true.
Okay, I need to tell you what's happening. My mom was supposed to be in the Andheri area with mom, who's keeping her busy. Somehow they have landed up in Malad. And now, because they're in some mall, they don't have network. And now we're way behind schedule, which is driving everyone crazy. Who's done it together? So you sign on head count. We're doing birthday bites while this madness is kicking in over here between these two. Jerry, she's a child and I cannot get through
You know
mother.
what this child did to me?
Oh, what did she do?
Throw a pen at him.
You threw what at him?
There's a pen inside.
He could go blind.
It missed my eye
Pen.
and hit my shoulder.
Can't get through them and it's driving me and my dad crazy. My dad more than me.
Show Popo your awesome hula hoop skills.
This hula hoop is for my son.
So good at hula hooping.
You are?
Yeah, Poo. Look at this.
हाँ जरा पहले तुम
Yeah,
फोन
see,
किए
I'm
थे
so good.
हाँ वालेकुम सलाम बोलो calling mom like nanny mom she's not answering oh god if they're late we're just gonna serve dinner not keep everyone else hungry. And then once Mama comes, voicemail. I mean,
Do you
anything
have
it's
a
a bring in. Her location's not updating because she doesn't have network. And my fear is if she doesn't have network in the last 27 minutes, that means she's still in the mall.
Oh,
Because the mall doesn't have
Oh.
network.
What did she say when you went
She
there?
said that they're leaving. Papa lied to her that we have a 10 p.m. reservation.
What? Say 10 people.
Because they need to get her here. I don't know, dude. And Dadu's saying it's all, my dad is saying it's all my fault because I should have called her sooner to leave. And I'm like, what the hell?
But you didn't know they were at the mall.
Exactly. I was told they were in Versova or like Lokhandwala at best. How the hell am I supposed to know that they've migrated to Malad? I'm not sitting looking at a location all day. How do you go to Malad?
How do you end up in Malad?
They're shopping. I'm just like, they should have kept an eye on things. Nothing's delivering. Okay, the good part is that it's a bring-in. So even if they get here a little bit later, we can feed our guests food. Mama's phone is not getting through, which means they're still inside the mall with no network. It's bring-in. So we can cut the cake at 12. We will eat dinner. By the time, I don't know why Dadu said what he said.
10.
How
That
is
means
it my fault?
if they say 10, it means I'm gonna leave till 45.
We can do this. We just need to get through them with no connection somehow. Let's all just think.
Are they with anybody yet?
Two 2,000 years later.
Trying to keep the silence in place.
We really waited for you, Auntie.
It's okay. She really is very late. Benny. I thought it was supposed to be Sana's fault because she forgot to tell Mama about the 10 p.m. Lalo.
See your face, see your face.
Oh my god, I can't believe this.
Welcome to your house, welcome to your house.
You should give me credit.
Mom, you got late. You and I are gonna have words. Yeah, she's late.
No network in the
We have been trying to call you 20 times. Acha, Anjar Ajo. Everything will be in the video.
But there was no network.
Oh, shit! She asked the driver, why are you here? For the blue dress. Let's do huggy. Let us give you a huggy. Let us give you a huggy. It's looking fine.
Mom, आ जाओ. Zara, take her in.
How to get it to
Oh my god. Allah, bhai.
हाँ जा चेंज कर ले
It's highly upset because of clothes.
We'll give you a 15-minute makeover break.
अरे इतना मैं चेतन के लिए भी नहीं रुकी हूँ कभी चेतन तेरे लिए रुकी हूँ कभी और इतना इंतजार
shopping in Australia. I did, but this mom was shopping But in the down in the lobby, I'm wondering why is Zain's driver here?
Oh my god
I told you blue dress लेने आए हो ये टाइम पे ये लगा
She also asked out compound.
He said नहीं भाभी I said my god Zain has come to take a look.
And this guy call your birthday messaged you. I don't know when I'm gonna send him.
Oh my God. You're going to find everybody, no?
She was a mark once.
Why will she tell you it's a surprise?
Me.
Why she doesn't always change? Look, घर में कैसा करेंगे?
Going. Did I miss out on anyone? Amazing job. What to do?
Shabo is on makeover break. Shabo is applying Shabo. Are you surprised? Were you surprised? You've changed your clothes. Shocked is for bad things, mummy.
Oh, is it?
Surprised is for good things.
Okay, so I was like
Very surprised.
happily surprised.
Happily surprised. Okay, come. Let's go. You look fab. Yeah, but like the wait was not fun. So now I promise I'll make it fun.
I didn't know, Abhi. I told you to for her anything.
Okay, grab
Like,
one.
All of us, I'm sure all of us.
Yeah.
You also.
Yeah, of course. You want to play?
Can I pass it on?
Yes, please.
We'll not take one.
It's the Shabo quiz.
Like they say,
Come, I'll pass from that side. Okay, so I'll tell you all how the Shabo quiz works. I will ask a question and everybody will answer it on their sheet of paper, including Shabo.
Okay.
And after everyone has written it down, Shabo will say the right answer. Actually, we can go on saying everyone's answers. And then Shabo will say the right answer at the end.
Okay.
And then you have to give yourself a point
Okay.
or not give yourself a point, honestly.
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 Very
Okay.
honest.
So I'm starting with the first question. You have? How do you know, Dadi? Take a paper and a pen. Okay, I'm starting with the first question. I'm asking questions and whatever you think the right answer is, you put that down on the number one wala hisab se. If Shabo could wear one color for the rest of her life, what would that color be?
Beige type.
Okay. Okay.
Rust.
Okay.
Black.
Beige.
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 What is your color?
Emerald green.
Mama is so beige in life.
90.
Okay.
1985.
Okay. Okay.
In I'll say 85 only, I'll go for it.
Okay. Push that. 86. Mama. Mom. 1986. Mama, what is the right answer?
86.
This next game is called what? It's called What Song Is This?
Okay.
So I will say some lyrics in English.
Okay.
And you have to guess what Hindi song I'm talking about. But you get the point only if you guess the song and you can sing the song. Otherwise, you don't get the point. Okay, so I'm saying the lyrics of this song. Okay?
In English.
Yeah, in English. Okay? When I saw you, then I came to know this. Love is mad. Now where do I go from here? Can I get lost in your hands? अब ऐसे सब गाओगे तो मैं पॉइंट किसको दे दूँ? First she sang it, huh? Papa, you see from there, huh?
You were looking there, but
Papa is going to be the decider of who sings it first because I'm not clearly able to.
Nose has to like
Raise their hands.
okay. Yeah.
Okay, next song. I all got now how it works. The queen of my heart, when will you come? The joy of the season, when will you come? But pehla kaun gaya? I'm giving this to Sonia auntie. No, you all have to raise your hand. How will I know who to give the point to? But मैं prize किसको दूंगी ऐसे? हाथ उठाओ की prize है.
verified का bag सबको दे.
Oh my God. Papa, you're keeping score of points. No, I'm not keeping score of points.
Otherwise, disqualified.
My heart is small. My hopes are small.
दिल में जो सा छोटी सी आशा.
So quick! I didn't finish it. Every minute, life is changing. It's appearing. What is killing it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm saying the next one. Even if you don't say anything, I've heard it.
कुछ ना कहो.
No, maybe I should go next time. Even if you don't say anything, I've heard it. The partner of love, I've chosen it. Renu auntie is on fire. This is very simple. We have only 4 days to live. The rest. We have only 4 days to live.
This is from the Hrithik.
The rest of them are useless days. It's all. Renu.
I think you should stop the prize.
One last one. One last one.
You have to go on a roll. You cannot end this.
My God, but she's really killed it. Okay, this is very last. Love is lovely. Love is crazy. Everyone. Papa, who got the most points? Who got the most? Renu auntie.
Lovely. I didn't know this.
See, now you know something new.
Analysis the tournament after body. The big extreme force. It means so much.
Happy birthday, dear Shabbo. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Shabbo, may God bless you. Tell us how long you've known Shabbo for and what makes her most special.
For all of us, she's special in some way, no?
Of course, she's so selfless
Always,
person.
yeah.
Always giving. Always
yeah.
ready for you. Always willing to do things.
Kindness personified.
Absolutely.
She's really, I mean, I always think that way. That's what I told her in my message also. Thank you for finding me because I was lost. I mean, I wasn't in touch with out there, and she saw to it that I was found. And now I'm in her life and she's in our lives, and that's the best thing that's ever happened.
Before the reunion, I think I met Shabana a couple of times when somebody from out of town, some of our school friends used to come into town and we used to meet for dinner. And I think Shabana then and Shabana now that I know her, huge difference. I didn't know she was a fashion designer, and I've always enjoyed the clothes she used to wear. But she's just grace and kindness.
She's just a totally special person.
Giving
Totally
person.
special.
Absolutely. And she's mad as hell.
She's like a fevicol in our group.
Absolutely.
She's our fevicol.
She's a
of our
core.
group.
She's a
She
core.
is the
of our
one
group.
who binds us.
Yeah, very true.
With her around, we is always without her. Like, we are like
Then I lost souls.
we are lost.
They
souls.
headless
They're
chickens.
chickens. And once she's back, like, and then we
And then
feel
वो just just
Yes.
how do you say हुज्जत से हम लोग को डांटेंगे
Yes, yes.
हर चीज करेगी no
She
but
wants true friend.
yeah so true so
No, as a
yeah.
true friend, she shows you the mirror when
Yeah,
it's a story show.
that's so
She
true.
is my
That's so true.
go-to person
Yes,
for
I think all of
everything.
us, all of us.
We know Shabana for the last 40 years and we've made many good memories together. Yes. She's always been the same, like, for so many years, fun loving, and really we have made a lot of memories right from our, parents and yeah. It was really, so we really wish her a very, very happy birthday and many more birthdays together to celebrate with us. Yeah. And I'm sure, I hope you're all, Shabana, happy to see this surprise birthdays. Yeah, so have a very nice, very happy birthday and a fantastic year.
Hey Shabs! Happy birthday! And I have to tell you that you are the most darlingest girl I have known. Thank you for always being there for me. You've always stood by me and always helped in the most difficult moments. Thank you so much. Love you.
Hi Shabbo! Wishing you a very, very happy birthday and many, many more to come.
Hi Shabu, many happy returns of the day, my soul sister, my .com, my everything. So I love you so much. I don't know what my life would be without you. Wishing you all the very best in life and all the happiness in the world. Love you loads forever.
Hi Shabana, wish you a very, very, very happy birthday and God bless you with many, many more. Love you tons.
Hey Shabu, happy birthday and thank you for finding me and having me in your life because if you had not found me, I would not be connected to you. So many years ke baad, 30 years ke baad. So here's to 30 years more. Love you.
Hi Shabana, happy birthday. Have a great and healthy and wealthy life.
Yeah. Hi Shabana, a very, very happy birthday to you. May you have a long, long and healthy life. Wish you many, many more to come and may all your wishes be fulfilled. I've known her since college days and she's done a lot of, we've always been good friends and let's hope we continue to be. Take care. Have a great day tomorrow.
Hi auntie, happy birthday. We all are waiting to celebrate you. But आज बड़ा मजा आने वाला है. We're just waiting for your reaction and how it's all going to be and all the years that we spent together. I've only spoken shit with you and you have returned the favor. Happy birthday, love you.
Happy birthday, auntie. Love you.
Hi Shabana, wish you many happy returns. We know you from last 35-36 years and always it's a fun knowing you and meeting you. God bless you.
Hi, just coming on here to end this vlog. Mama was so surprised. She has said thank you to everyone, including me, so many times. She is so grateful. I think one of the biggest things was that we managed to get girlfriends together from different friend groups of hers. While there was a little bit of panic in the middle of the party about why they were running late, everything worked out and all's well that ends well. We always say that because we always believe that, and I'm just happy I was able to play a role in making my mom's 61st birthday. Mashallah, 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 so special. So today's code, if you made it so far into today's video, is gonna be for you to leave a comment that says happy birthday Shabana auntie or happy birthday auntie Shabbo, whichever way you prefer. We used a lot of Shabbo in this birthday because that's what my dad calls her and that's just her nickname, and sometimes when I'm also doing lard with her I'll be like, hey Shabbo, because that's what Papa calls her. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm trying my best to capture whatever I can. There's so many things going on behind the scenes right now that I'm capturing but will share at a later time, I guess, and hopefully you will stick around because you've subscribed to watch those videos too. I love you so much. I'll see you soon.